Hello! Today I'm showing you exactly how to create this chef hat for Christmas elves. It's a great little project. So let's dive right in. The first thing you'll need to do is print your template. Head to page 7 of the guide to find it. Always double check your printer settings. Make sure you select actual size. This template is for both US letter and A4. Once printed, trim your template and cut exactly along the lines. I've already built the seam allowances into this design. Next, pin the template to your material and cut out the two parts. For this version, I'm using a soft flannel material. Now, let's start sewing. In this video, I'll be showing you how to sew by hand. In the PDF file, I refer more to using a sewing machine. But don't worry, the steps are exactly the same. Let's start with the headband. Fold one long edge inward by about 1/4 inch. Then, run it through your machine or use a stitch if you're going old school with hand sewing. Now for that iconic chef look. Measure your headband, subtract a tiny bit for the side seam, and mark that length on your thread. Sew a basting stitch along the top edge of the crown and pull the thread to gather the fabric. To assemble, insert the gathered crown into the headband with the right sides, face to face. Close up that side seam and then stitch all the way around the circumference for a secure finish. A blanket stitch is your best friend here. It looks beautiful and helps prevent fraying on these tiny, delicate edges. Don't skip the cleanup. Trim away any excess seam allowance and tie off your loose threads. Fold the headband edges inward and secure them with a few hidden stitches, or even a small dab of fabric glue. Now for the best part, turn it right side out. If you loved this, check out the rest of my Christmas elf collection. All the links are in the description below. I can't wait to see what you make. Thank you so much for choosing my pattern. Happy sewing and have fun with your elves.